Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we use black color and now we draw A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. Kids, the next one is G. Now we draw E. The next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1. Now we draw 2. The next one is 3. Now we draw 4. Kids, the next one is 5. And now we draw 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we draw triangle. The next one is heart. Now we draw star. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we use blue color. Now we coloring the shape of square. Blue color. Kids, the next one is circle. We again use blue color and now we draw the shape of circle. Now we use green color and draw triangle. The shape of triangle. Now we use green color. The next one is heart. We again use green color. Kids, the last one is star and now we use red color. The shape of star. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and star. Thank you so much for watching.